morning and welcome to 16 Turbridge Close, a delightful T.A. Fisher 2-bedroom semi-detached house with, as you can see, a garage alongside. The property has literally just come to the market and is being offered for sale through WhiteKnights at a price of $385,000. We've gone with a slightly early launch on this and we've already got a number of viewings, so I would certainly urge anybody interested to come and have a look straight away. If you bear with us now, we'll take you through the property and show you some of the internal features. As we step into the hallway, just to our immediate left hand side we have a downstairs cloakroom, functional obviously, with a nice double glazed window to the side just to let a little bit of light in. Then back to the hallway, we have the kitchen on our right hand side with various built-in units, 4-ring gas hob with oven and fitted extractor, and again a nice double glazed window overlooking the front so you can do the washing up and see who's arriving. Then back into the hallway and we actually have the stairs to our left, but we're going to go straight ahead into the living room, which again is a very good sized room. We've got space there with a dining table, and as you can see it's gas radiator heating. Back into this room, the owners here have got a very good size sofa, and you can see that the room easily accommodates that without making it feel small in any way. And there's an understairs storage cupboard there as well. As you probably saw from the video, there's sliding doors through to a conservatory. The conservatory itself is very well constructed. There's double doors there to the garden as well, or to the side, and then the garden. But it's also a really good conservatory. It's really quality built, it feels quality, and it's a very usable room. Unlike some conservatories which are very much lean-tos, this is a proper room that you can use. And as you can see, the owners do actually have a dining table out here. We'll step outside in a moment. So from the landing, we go into the master bedroom, which again is a decent sized room, as you can see, and there's a ensuite shower room to this main bedroom. We'll wander over and have a quick look at that because it has just been refurbished by the owners. All nicely new, recently decorated, new shower. So back out onto the landing, we have the second bedroom on our left hand side. Currently a baby's room obviously, however it's a decent size second bedroom, ideal for those working from home or somebody who wants a guest bedroom. And there is actually a fitted wardrobe in this room as well. And then finally we have the family bathroom, which again is a nice modern suite. You've got a bath there with a shower attachment, pedestal wash hand basin, and a nice double glazed window there as well, which is always nice to see in a bathroom. So as you step outside, you can see that there's a side gate leading to the property, so you can bring your bins in and out. And then the garden itself is patioed. It's nice borders there. And again round to the conservatory, which you can now see a little bit better from the outside. You see the garage is there, and a shed at the back of the garage. The garage itself is a really nice feature with these, and makes a big difference, and obviously you've then got the parking out the front as well. Okay, that concludes our tour of this property, and should you be interested then please do contact the office to arrange a viewing as soon as you can.